Hey guys, Suyoon here with another episode of What's My Blank. Man, it's been forever since I filmed anything. It's been a crazy dry season with Supreme not releasing anything. But Supreme season is coming back soon, so hopefully I'll be able to grab a lot of different items and film for you guys. But for today, I was able to get one of the Nike sneaker in early access. So I already have it. It's supposed to release tomorrow, which is Sunday, February 16th during the All-Star game. But I got it early. I have it on hand with me. I got the sneaker app early access. Did a little scratching to just get into it, and then I ordered instantly, and then somehow I got it. So let's go ahead and open it for you guys. Now, this is the Nike Adapt BB 2.0. It's the self-lacing shoes. Again, it's a 2.0. It's supposed to drop during the All-Star break basketball shoes. So they specifically made it for basketball as opposed to the first one. But I'm not sure what to expect, so let's open up and see. The box came in a pretty big box. Had a Just Do It tape on it. So we'll go ahead and open it up. As expected, the box is pretty big. It's pretty doped up. It has the Nike logo, kind of like very hologram-ish. Has different color depending on how you look at it and different reflection. On top, it says Nike Adapt BB version 2.0 year 2020. Again, they redesigned and redid some of the work from previous one, and this is the self-lacing technology. Curious to see how it is. I didn't get the first one. The second one, again, with the early access, I had to get it. Let's see how it is. On the back, it shows the smartphone app and how to do the self-lacing. On the bottom of the sole, there's a plus or minus which you go press for tightening and loosening up those laces. On the here, it says just have Nike logo, swoosh, Just Do It, Nike Air, etc. And a bunch of information here. And then on this side, it shows the Nike size 9. I'm size 9, so that's what I got. Nike Adapt self-lacing 2.0 basketball all-star sneaker. There's a little flap on top here. I'm trying to see how you open the box. Flap open, and then you open from the top, and then it has the Nike Adapt BB version 2.0 with the Nike logo. And here we have the Nike shoes. So I'll take out both and let's take a look at it. Also within the box we have a lot of different things. So let me see if I could take them out. So again, here it has this thing. I'll pull it out, and on the bottom it has the Nike Adapt instruction with many different languages. I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna say, but I'm guessing it has a lot of information on how to charge, safety around it, etc. And then on the very bottom there's this thing. So I'm gonna take this out, and it's like a platform, and I believe this is where you charge your shoes. So you'll put this on top of here, and it should be charging the shoes itself. It says Nike Adapt Charger 1.0, and it's just literally a platform with the USB-C port here. So you plug the USB-C to the wall charger, have it on the ground, and then you leave your shoe on top of this, and it should be charging automatically. So let's take a look at this one. I'm not sure what this is. It's just a charger for wall bricks. So, and then the USB, and then you have the USB-C end which goes to this. I'm thinking this is pretty much universal, so you could pretty much use any USB-C wall charger or whatever. Fast charging. This is one of the key items for 2.0 was supposed to improve on charging speed. I'm guessing this is fast charging USB-C. And then let's take a look at shoe itself. This is the OG version. So from the first Adapt shoes, they kept the colorway the same. So you have the black top and then the blue-ish sole bottom with accents of red here. There's nothing that actually, there's no moving part. It's all woven, all same one piece. When I saw the picture, I thought this was a strap. Typically you could find on Kyrie's or something like that on the basketball shoe, where they take this off, they have a lace inside of this, and then they will have a flap that you could tighten up and velcro on to make support on your shoe here. But this is just all one thing, so this is pretty dope. And just like that, you do have the lace on the bottom here. I don't actually know how this works, but you see different lacing wire going around here. On the tab, you just see the left and right. On the tab, on the back side of the tab, you see Nike version 2.0, Nike Adapt BB year 2020. The inside is supposed to be cushioned pretty well this time around with different cushioning technology. I'm gonna have to put it on fit and let you guys know how it is. And inside we have the plastic one instead of the typical brown cardboard one you get. Insole has the Nike Adapt logo. Again, even insole, you have the R and left to indicate the shoe. I'm not sure why they do that, but just kind of giving you guys what I see right as I'm looking at it. We have the Nike logo kind of wrapping around here, which I think is really cool design. Again, on the sole, I did mention one thing as we were unboxing. We have the plus or minus here, which shows on the outside of your feet where you have the plus or minus button. I'm not sure if this comes charged. I might have to charge this up quickly and then put it on and then show how the lacing works. You could download the app to customize to your shoe, your size, and so each time you put it on, it automatically laces to the tightness that you want. And on the rubber here, it does says power lacing system. Zoom. I'm just reading a little subtle writing that's all over the place. It says turbo zoom on the red. On the blue sole, it says again version 2.0 Nike Adapt BB. So year 2020. So they are emphasizing this a lot, and you could be that phrase and that could be found everywhere. On the heel, this doesn't. You find the pull tab here. You expect this to be pretty hard, but actually it's pretty flexible. It is rubbery material, but bottom is more sturdier than the top. Top is much more flexible and giving, and the bottom actually supports. It looks like it supports the heel much better. The cushion itself is again very comfortable, and you could feel that it has a bit of more cushioning here. Again, I never had the 1.0 version, so I don't know how it compares to the original one, but I'm pretty excited to try this on. Okay, I went and got the charger, plug it in the back, and again, typical USB-C here. And this is the platform. The platform feels a little more rubbery than anything, so maybe it's there too, so it doesn't slip out. But I'll go ahead and put the sneaker and see how it charges. Alright, I'm not sure, it doesn't make any noise, but one thing I noticed is it's charging and you see the light glowing on the plus or minus. I'm not sure if this can be seen. Very subtle. Yeah, it's now, it blinked blue and red, but now it's just kind of like subtle red, very slow blinking. So it's indicating it's charging. I'll let this charge a little bit. I'll come back and try it on and show the self-lacing technology, and then give you guys a more closer look, and we'll go from there. Alright, I'm back. I let it charge for about 15-20 minutes. Honestly, I'm not sure if that's enough, but let's see if it charges and see if I could press the button and see if I could put it on as well. So here it has the plus and minus, so I'll go ahead and press the plus. So you see the tightening up of the laces. And then I'll press the minus button, so it's loosening up now. And it doesn't go anymore. It blinks green on the minus, so I think this is as far as it will loosen up. I'll do the same here. Press minus. Actually doesn't go anywhere. Initially I think it comes all completely loose. You see this pretty much hanging around the laces. So I'll press the plus and you'll see it kind of tighten up. And at one point it just stops, even though I hold on to it. And I think this is where the position where it's just kind of like you have your feet in and you move it around just to a comfortable location. And then you can press it again, and then it will just continue to tighten up further. And I think this is as tight as you'll go. So you see there's a little gap here now between the shoe and the lacing technology. And then you see how tight, small this hole got. So this actually have it really tight now. So I'll loosen this up and put it on later, and then give you guys a little closer look. One thing I did forget to mention is that this was $400 retail. So fortunately for me, again, I'm in New Jersey, so I didn't have to pay tax or anything like that. But anything that's 400 plus, tax is pretty hefty. So I'm glad that I was able to get at 400, just regular price there. That being said, I'll put it on, give you guys a little on feet, see how it feels like to be putting on the basketball shoes. It's supposed to be relatively lighter than the other previous version, which had the battery on the bottom. So I'll give you guys a little on feet look, and then we'll wrap it up.